Hi guys! Welcome sa Zipline. In this video, itutuloy natin yung series natin on functions. So sa previous video ay pinag-usapan natin yung function as a machine kung saan yung input ay x at yung output ay f of x. Ngayon yung f of x na notation, I think some of you hindi pa kayo masyadong familiar dito kaya pag-usapan natin tong notation na to. So, ang f of x, no? I think na naririnig nyo na sa akin. Ang basa dyan ay f of x. So, read as f of x. At yung kanyang meaning ay the value of f at x. Yung pangalan ng function ay yung f. At yung x, yun yung input, di ba? X is the input. And alam din natin that f of x equals y. No? So, kung napanood niyo yung previous video ay meron tayong isang function na yung relationship between the price of the ball pen and the number of ball pens. No? At yung equation noon, kung naalala nyo, ay f of x equals 6x. So, since f of x is equal to y, pwede rin natin siyang isulat as y equals 6x. Sabi natin dito, the meaning of f of x is the value of f at x. So, for number 1, using the f notation, how do we find the value of f at x equals 7? Okay. Ibig sabihin lang yan, isa-substitute natin yung 7 doon sa x. No? This means that f of 7 is equal to 6 times 7. Ang 6x, di ba? Ibig sabihin yan, 6 times x. So, 6 times 7 is 42, which means that f of 7 is equal to 42. Okay? Let's have another example. So, let g of x be equal to 2x minus 3. So, dito g naman yung pangalan ng function natin, di ba? Find g of 1 and g of negative 2. So, for g of 1, we have 2 times 1 minus 3, di ba? Substitute natin yung x. Equals 1 doon sa function, which means 2 times 1 is 2 minus 3 is negative 1. So, g of 1 is equal to negative 1. For b, we have g of negative 2 is equal to 2 times negative 2 minus 3. That is equal to 2 times negative 2 is negative 4, minus 3 is negative 7. So, g of negative 2 is equal to negative 7. And lastly, we have let p of x be equal to 5 minus x squared. find p of 0 and p of 1/2. So p of 0 is equal to 5 minus 0 squared, which is equal to 5. Which means that p of 0 is equal to 5. We have p of 1/2 is equal to 5 minus 1/2 squared. That's 5 minus 1/4, no, kasi, which is equal to 20/4 minus 1/4, which is equal to 19/4. So ang 5 ay equal to 20/4, no? So 19/4 ang p of 1/2. Okay, so ganyan lang yung paggamit ng notation, function notation, at pag-evaluate ng functions. Alright, so maraming salamat. Sana ay nag-enjoy kayo. In the next video ay titignan natin yung graph of functions. That's it. Maraming salamat. I'll see you in the next video.